Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am putting this video together on how I transplanted my watermelon seedling. I purchased this Fox Farm soil and I'm going to transplant it into this grow bag. I'm actually deciding to do some things different because every time I transplant my seedlings, they either die from fungus gnats or I don't harden them off right and they end up dying. So just trying some different things. I'm going to fertilize the soil as well because I'm really bad with fertilizing and putting things on a schedule. So I think this video is going to be a great thing for me to go back as a good resource. And for the fungus gnats, I added some sand to the top of the soil. So that seemed to work pretty good. But once I started seeing the leaves starting to yellow and everything, I'm just like, okay, well, let me just try some things different. And this was a month ago when I actually transplanted this seedling into its new home. This was about a couple of weeks later. A month later, this is what I have. I fertilized it with some fish emulsion, I think maybe every couple of weeks, and it's been doing great. I actually mulched it as well to keep the soil moist. And I just put it on a regular watering schedule, set it out to get plenty of sunlight, and now I have flowering. So I've been watching videos on how to get it to fruit, so that's my next step. I'm working on that, but what I've tried so far worked. Thank you guys for watching.